What's up, you guys? We are making a homemade blizzard today. So I got my favorite ice cream, and it's not really my favorite, but it's what I have right now. I don't know if that wants to come. There we go. That's in focus. So it's actually a caramel brownie overload is what it's called. So all you really need for this is I'm using a cup. I already put the ice cream in it once, and then I dumped it out. And here comes my boyfriend. So all you need is a little hand mixer and a cup and ice cream. And that's it. 3 ingredients. You put your ice cream in the cup. And then we're going to put this phone right here. And maybe it'll get something. Because I'm recording on my own. Because that's how it goes. Boom shakalaka. You fill it up, you put a lot of ice cream in there. You're not mixing it with anything else. And then you just blend it. You want to hold this? I can edit that. That was so stupid. You gotta hold. You gotta hold it. No, you gotta hold it. It's gonna fly everywhere. You gotta hold it.
How did you do it the other day?
I used a different kind of cup.
Think you're gonna start all over again?
Nope. It's still recording, right?
I guess.
I need something that's gonna really. Oh my goodness. I need grippies.
Put it somewhere else.
I'm telling you, man, it's like, oh. He needs a bigger cup. I needed it to reach all the way to the bottom. It's easy. Super easy to make your make your own blizzard.
Yeah.
If you have a lot, you can use that mixer. And it's way easier with the paddle bit. Paddle bit. And you get it nice and whipped. Then you want to get as much as you can off.
Just like that.
Don't
It's
get
on
any
your
on
shoe.
you.
Like that right there.
On my shoe. Blends in with the paint. Look at that. That looks good. And it's your own, so you can finger it as much as you need to.
Oh, finger.
So, hopefully they don't do this at Dairy Queen.
Sure. You never
At the
know.
DQ.
You never know.
But no ice cream. Deserves to be wasted. Boom. Copycat, you want to be in the video? Today's trigger day. We've had this baby for 4 years. You gonna say hey? You gonna say hey? What's Trigger say? You don't want to say hey?
You've been neutered for 4 years.
We've been neutered for 4 years. No, we picked him up today. I picked him up from your work today, 4 years ago. And he was as big as his head. And now he's got a big body and a little head. Never go Trigger baby. Give him kisses. Sweet boy. Alright, you guys. So here's your homemade blizzard. Let's see if we can do this. You should be able to flip it and it doesn't come out. Oh, we did it. Oh. Worth the video just for that. Alright, so we got caramel brownie overload. Have a good day, you guys. Peace out. You can also add more toppings if you want. We got a cone here. And we're going to crunch it up and put it on over it. We ain't got no whipped cream. You want to do the whole cone because you want to make sure you got some in every bite because that's what makes it worth it. Just don't choke. What's your tank? Yeah. Oh, we missed the scoop. Looks good. Thank you. So, if you think this looks cool and you're gonna make it, like, subscribe, please. It's delicious. And give our video that thumbs up for the Trigger boy. What do you say, Trigger? You're being all quiet now. I gave him a bunch of treats because he was begging. And now he's quiet.